The new Kitchen Multifunctional Garlic Crusher is a remarkable addition to any culinary setup, providing convenience and efficiency for both amateur cooks and seasoned chefs. This manual garlic press is designed with user-friendliness in mind, allowing you to crush garlic cloves effortlessly with just a rolling action. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, minimizing strain during use, while its compact size makes it easy to store in kitchen drawers or hang on a hook for quick access. Constructed from durable materials, the garlic crusher offers longevity alongside its practicality. It tackles various tasks beyond just crushing garlic, functioning well as a chopper for herbs and other small ingredients. This versatility is a significant advantage in a busy kitchen, where time-saving gadgets are crucial for meal preparation. Its simple design allows for easy cleaning, as it can be rinsed under water or placed in the dishwasher, ensuring that maintaining hygiene is as simple as using the tool itself.